cold. She belongs to the street.
Hi. How are you? He got him sign the shit. Sup? What's up, bitch?
I know you got a sign for that.
Fine shit.
It's a different sign. Cause you gotta have a comeback sign for when they call you bitches and shit. You
Yeah.
have one that's like, bitch.
Shake some ass. All right.
Nah,
yeah.
we don't do it for free.
I got you. Hold on.
We don't do it when they ask.
Me. She want me back.
Try again.
Shit out there right there. You know, fuck out them. Post with the same species and shit. We got hella guns. They gonna try to shit. They know for sure.
Thank you. You wanna see my friend? I'm about to throw it in a circle.
Wait, hold on. He gotta say something. He gotta say something. What's your name? What's your name? No, what's your name?
My nigga.
Now you know you played. Cause you knew what you was doing. Look at you smiling.
He's funny because he's
He played. He played. I ain't got none. I don't got none. Y'all here screaming at her fucking iPad. He's still on here? He got some papers. What's the other paper say? Jamaica.
He in the camera. He's on that fat people laugh. Let me see what you look like. What? What?
Ah.
God damn. Shit, nigga.
I'm trying to fuck. I'm trying to.
Hi. Hey. What's up, dude? Where you from? Georgia. Where are you from? But you got no papers for that? Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see what else I can ask. Which one? You. Good. Oh, thank you. Okay. Can we get up and do it? Yeah, man. Got you. Hold on. Liar. Oh, I see your sheets. I can't. Okay. What's the girl let's do? Wait a minute. What song? talk? You can talk. You're over here smiling. You can talk. Oh. You can get my Instagram. Oh, I like your tattoo. Your tattoo.
I like you too. Feel me?
So you can talk. Bitch, what the fuck, bitch? What the fuck, bitch? Hi. Hello. What are you doing? The sky. What's down? Says sup. 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 The sky. Minnesota. How about you? Miami. Miami. Okay. Jamaica. Okay. Fine shit. Type shit. I'm crying. You funny. Age 21. 19. Man, I can't wait till I get to say 20. 20? Honey buns is wild.
Let's get straight to it. On my mama, we lit.
I like honey buns. Them bitches is... He does too, that's why he wants some. Shit, I want some too. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm trying to pour my cereal, and it's so motherfucking many fucking raisins up in this bitch. I wanna clap them cheeks. You did cheeks backwards. Nah, he knows. he knows what he doing. He trying to say six. You wanna see some booty? Babe, this man wants to see your booty. Hold on, you go get some. Hold on, I got you. Hold on. I'm dead. Ouch, I just tripped over the fan again. He look at him, he already know. Oh, there we go, look, some cheeks. Next, I'm dead, bro. He came up with the, bro, he's hilarious. I think he means he wants to see you. Nah, he wanna see that ass. Fuck this. Not the currency.
So what,
Come on, Angel, I'm trying to see that ass too.
What's good?
Miss Girl. What? I think
So what's good?
Did he just touch it?
Yeah, into what, bro? I'm not dumb, bro.
He can talk.
So what's good?
I don't know.
I'm trying to talk to your friend.
Don't mind me. I look retarded right now. I'm trying to get. Look at. I'm telling you, I don't fuck with the raisins. That shit's nasty.
So what's good, friend?
This bitch empty.
Yo,
She said what?
What's good, friend? Let me like.
Thanks. Angel.
Let me get your number or some shit, you feel me? Instagram, I don't know.
You talking to Angel, right?
Talking to your ass.
What happened to Angel?
You good. I'm just talking to your friend right here, you feel me?
What is it?
Trying to get your Snap or Instagram, I don't know what you got, you feel me?
You said he's trying to black some cheeks. 651.
Bro, type it in, bro.
28.
That shit fraud.
No, that ass, I really gave him my...
Bro, type that shit in. Type that shit in then.
No, I really did. Bitch, I know.
So type it in.
I know your number by heart.
She
I was
playing.
waiting for you to fuck up one of the numbers and you did it. As soon as I heard it.
You're fucking funny.
So
Not for real. I was thinking about giving the 952 number. Okay, that for me is cringy. Sorry.
What's your name, Dad? Who's he calling Daddy?
Himself.
Oh. So how we gonna stop talking?
Daddy trying to see Fatty.
Like Loki.
Hi. Hi. How was your night?
I was about to be on TikTok. So.
Stop. Where you from? Brooklyn. Where you from?
Jamaica.
I love Jamaica. I want to go out there.
You wanna buy me a plane ticket to go out there?
Yeah.
Can I get them?
No. You could get a skip though with that.
Bro, what the? Hell no.
You wish your mom was a real get down like I was.
Can you do me like that, phone show? God damn. What book club woman
I
to
think
this?
I think you're fine.
Huh?
I said I did that because I think you're fine.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss. No. In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
Where y'all from? What book club you now got Jaja.
What's on Africa?
Yo, y'all friend is crazy over here. Y'all friend is She doing too much. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna...
Huh? Huh? You hope I don't? Girl, shut up. You a hater. You just mad because I ain't gonna do it on you like that. I'm gonna suck that little wee anyways.
Make me act up. You don't make me do something I'm gonna regret.
Yo, I'm a slide still for y'all too bad for me, you feel me?
What you say?
You want some other type of shit you and your friend. Y'all trying to fuck me up. Y'all trying to fuck me up. Nigga, get the fuck down, nigga. Yo, calm down now, folks. Calm down. Calm down. You see what's going on. Friend. Yeah, that shit be dead. Let that shit drop. Let that shit drop.
Niggas like you that always got something to say like that shit. That's why you gotta keep saying. No, you know you like it for real. Stop.
I don't know what y'all do. I don't know what y'all talking about.
Why can't you say it, bro? Say it, scared. Say bomba clot, and I'll do it. Say bomba clot, I don't do it. Otherwise, I'm not doing it. Say bomba clot, girl.
Damn, he's passing up an opportunity.
Dang. Okay.
He's looking for a card that says Bomba Clot.
I know, I'm like
Come on, man.
Say casi mamá, pero. Hi. This is funny. So Crying sheet. Oh shit, it's funny. Where you from? I'm from Rhode Island. Okay, yep. Talking stuff, right? Shit, so bad. You already do that. You wilding it. Oh, nah, ma, you tweaking. Oh shit, I want to go. Get the fuck out.
Now?
Get out, maybe. Birthday because it's gone. You want my number? You want my number? It's crazy. Nah, you could put yours. I could give you my Snapchat.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
My height? I'm 5'2". Oh, shit. Oh, you in Jamaica? Oh, shit. What's up? Pernita. New York.
I got action.
God damn, what? Yo, bro, you see, bro.
Yeah.